Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's OLSP System review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit and 100% commissions have recently come in. I'm live in my account here, and down the right hand side here is the commissions, a total of $204.20. But more importantly in this video, I want to show you, this is called the Mega Link. And I want to show you how with the Mega Link, it is one link that you promote and you can earn up to 7 income streams. The Mega Link is created by this gentleman here. He's called Wayne Crowe. And in this video here, short video here, about 10 minutes long, the link in the description will give you access to this video, and Wayne will explain exactly what the Mega Link is and how you can use that to become successful and make money online. I want to go and show you in the members area. A bit later on, I'm going to show you exactly how this system works and how easy it is to use as well. First of all, let's just look at some multiple income streams, some proof. So I'm going to go into commissions here. I'm going to blur out members' information for privacy. Scroll down, and I've got 3 pages here. We'll go back to the very beginning when I first started my journey with OLSP System, and you'll see this column here that was on December the 6th. This first $7 commission. These are 100% commissions with Megalink. So that was the first one there on December the 6th. And you'll see another couple of products here in the this column here. So you'll see Mega Messenger, which is a one-time offer here. This is a $10 commission, $10.80. And then we'll go on to the next page and you'll see another product. So these Megalink ones here are all coming in at 100%. You pay, there's no monthly membership costs, which is what I really like about this system. So it gives you an opportunity to be able to get into profit faster. And this product here, list building and magic link. There's another Mega Messenger in there. There's a couple there. So that's 3 products so far. We've had list building and Mega Link, Magic Link. We've had Mega Link and Mega Messenger. The list building and Magic Link is a $7 commission. And then we come right back to the beginning here. And you'll see the balance of 204, what I showed you at the beginning of the video. More list building and Magic Links, more Mega Messengers. So far, 3 income streams have come in from just promoting one link. And I'll go back into my dashboard. I want to share you some really important information because Wayne Crowe excels with his support and his training. And that's one of the reasons why you'll see here 539 commissions have been paid to members in the last 24 hours. And also this replay of a live training, how the Megalink is spitting out thousands of commissions. You can watch that replay. So he excels. Let's go back here. He excels with his support and his training. He trains his members now how to become successful with this system. So if you decide to join, then what I recommend you do is first watch these 2 free trainings here. It says free. It's how we made 10 million in commissions, and also the 100 commission hack. 2 superb free trainings there. This is perfect for beginners. What Wayne wants to do, he wants to show and teach everybody how to become successful online. So this is a Megalink train. I'm going to share with you now how simple, there's nothing hard or technical about this system. I want to share with you how simple and easy it is to be able to use and promote. So this is a training, if you join, this is a training you're going to get. And don't get overwhelmed by, this is quite overwhelming for new people, but there's only, I'm going to draw a line down here. In this training, Wayne's drawn a line. Now see this line is drawn down here. And all you've got to be concerned with is one box to, well, there's two boxes here to the left of this line. That's all you've got to be concerned with, because what he does, he gives you your mega link, top right hand corner here. You'll see your mega link there. And then all you've got to do is you're concerned with one thing, and that is how to learn to drive traffic to your mega link. And that's it. That's the only thing you have to do. You've only got to do one thing, because Wayne has done everything else for you. I'm going to show you now exactly what you're going to get. So everything to the right hand side of this line is what, everything over here is what he's created for you. And it's a complete 100% done for you funnel. Everything over here is a funnel. And at the end of the funnel, oops, let's put the go back to the pencil. At the end of the funnel is how you earn commissions. So you're going to get your mega link, and then with the mega link you get what's called a squeeze page or a lead capture page. Now again, this is done for you. This is the lead capture page you're going to get. You don't have to create any lead capture pages. You don't have to create any autoresponder messages. He even sends out the email follow-ups for you. So you promote one link, your prospects put their email address in there, and then they come into the system, and then Wayne takes over. He sends out emails for you now on autopilot. Now each of these emails that he sends out for you, all right, these are all automated. No monthly autoresponder costs, no emails to write. In each of those emails, he promotes your affiliate links. He promotes you. And this is all for a one-time payment of $7. No monthly membership costs. Now, when he sends the emails out, within those emails, are trainings and replays, and there's offers. And then if anybody buys from any of those emails, there's low ticket offers here. There's some medium ticket offers, prices. He promotes monthly recurring for you. He even promotes high ticket for you. And if anybody buys any of these here with your affiliate link in, that's when you earn the commissions. So very, very simple. There's lots of boxes on here. There's lots of circles. There's lots of information. But all you've got to be concerned with is doing one thing: learning how to drive traffic. And he trains you on how to do that. He trains you on how to do traffic in several different ways. You choose what suits you. So it gets even better. He's got a Facebook group of 142,000 members. So he's built a community of help, support, training, members helping members. And he's also very active within this Facebook group as well. So a superb system, really beginner friendly as well. Perfect for all levels. There's upgrades if you want to upgrade and progress further down the line in months to come. This is just the beginning if you want to get started. And if you have enjoyed today's video, well, first of all, let's just give the income disclaimer in the description. That's really important. We're not making any income claims in this video. I'm just showing you what works for me. There's no guarantees. We're just giving you, we've all got an equal opportunity to become a member of OLSP System and also promote it as an affiliate. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you've enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week. There's now over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions at all about OLSP System, please put those in the comments below. I'll answer all your questions for you. My email address will be in the description as well. if you want to contact me direct through email. So I recommend you just click the link in the description and get access here to this video. Come and meet Wayne Crowe. He's doing some great work. He's really a fantastic coach. I'm learning such a lot from him. So this is just a great opportunity to come and meet him, and he'll tell you all about what the Megalink is and how it can help you become successful online. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.